Do you want to know one of the biggest secrets there is to creating a six-figure income from home as a beginner affiliate marketer? Here it is. You need to know what your customer avatar is. If you never heard that term, then what I need you to do is click the link in the description, and real quick, I'm gonna show you an awesome tool that I actually use to create my customer avatar. And what this does is allow me to pinpoint the exact person that I want to promote my product and services to. And what that does is it increases my sales, it increases my conversions, and it makes my affiliate marketing journey that much smoother. Never talk to somebody that doesn't want to hear what you have to say. Only talk to people who want to hear your specific message. Here's how you do it. The fastest way to make six figures in affiliate marketing starts by going here, then clicking on here, which will take you to here, where you'll complete all of these for free, and then just wait for these.